Yeah, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Diversity. Diversity. Now, what in the world is diversity? Well, today, you're going to find out. Here we go. Diversity. It means different and the same. Different and the same. Now, time out. How can things be different and the same at the same time? It's easy. If you think about this. A really big box of crayons. If you take a look inside a really big box of crayons, this is where you will find diversity. Uh-oh. These crayons aren't different, they're all the same. They're all the same size, the same shape, and same color. You know what? A real box of crayons is better than this. In a real box of crayons, some crayons are blue, but some crayons are red, and some crayons are purple, some crayons are yellow. Some crayons are skinny, and some crayons are kind of wide. Some crayons are sharp, some crayons are dull. Some crayons are short, some crayons are tall. And some crayons even have pretty crazy wrapping papers. And the best part of all, they all get along fine, living in one big box. Here we go. Check it out. These crayons remind me of your school. It's true. Take a look behind the doors of an elementary school, and this is where you will find diversity. Some kids are short, some kids are tall, some kids are skinny, and some kids have a lot of muscle. You can't make a picture as pretty as this if you're using crayons that are as boring as these. I know, I think everybody knows that. Even a silly old circus clown knows that. A circus clown? Oh no! I almost forgot. Hang on. Yeah. Everybody. That was close. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I would like you to meet my very best friend, my co-star in today's show, the funniest person you're ever gonna meet. How about a big round of applause for Smudgy the Clown? Yeah! Woo! Hi, Smudgy! Yeah!